Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the CANTHAL tilt filter on TikTok. So what is CANTHAL tilt? CANTHAL tilt is the tilt of the outer corners of your eyes. It can be either positive, negative, or neutral. A positive CANTHAL tilt is when the outer corners of your eyes point upwards. A negative CANTHAL tilt is when the outer corners of your eyes point downwards. A neutral CANTHAL tilt is when the outer corners of your eyes are level. What is the CANTHAL tilt filter on TikTok? The CANTHAL tilt filter on TikTok is a filter that measures your CANTHAL tilt. It works by drawing a red line from the inner corner of your eye to the outer corner. Why is the CANTHAL tilt filter popular on TikTok? The CANTHAL tilt filter is popular on TikTok because it is a new and trending filter. It is also a relatively easy filter to use, and it can be used to measure your CANTHAL tilt in a matter of seconds. How to get CANTHAL tilt filter on TikTok? To get CANTHAL tilt filter on TikTok, first open TikTok and then go to search option and search for CANTHAL tilt. After that you will find CANTHAL tilt filter option there. If you don't see the option here, click on any one of the video and then click on CANTHAL tilt filter option above the username. And now from here click on use this effect and start recording your video. Is the CANTHAL tilt filter accurate? The CANTHAL tilt filter is not 100% accurate. It is possible for the filter to give you a false positive or negative reading. This is because the filter is not able to take into account all of the factors that can affect CANTHAL tilt, such as the shape of your face and the angle of your head. Is CANTHAL tilt filter harmful? Some people believe that the CANTHAL tilt filter is harmful because it perpetuates the idea that there is one standard of beauty that everyone should strive for. They argue that the filter can make people feel insecure about their appearance, especially if they have a negative CANTHAL tilt. Should you use the CANTHAL tilt filter? Whether or not you should use the CANTHAL tilt filter is up to you. If you find it to be fun and harmless, then go for it. But if you find it to be harmful, then you may want to avoid it. That's all I have to say about the CANTHAL tilt filter on TikTok. I hope you found this video informative and helpful.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.